Okay, so they've got all the trainee police out there, all the young new trainees, and they out around our area every morning directing traffic, which is good. I suppose it's their first introduction to traffic control. And they're all young guys, just finished the academy, you know. And there's hundreds of them all around the whole local areas out here. And this is where they come every morning for their initial traffic training. Okay, we're taking a shortcut along the river because it's pretty hectic at the traffic lights down there. So we're going to search for this really good soto place. We've eaten there before. We've got to go this direction anyway. So we're just going to stop, get something to eat, and maybe stop in at the markets up here, and we need to get some onions, white onions, and some capsicum. So it says here no cars down here anymore. As you can see, there's a car up the head. No one takes any notice. They just go around signs like that. So people just do what they want in the villages anyway, you know. So this is real full on village, you know. So this is the markets in here. Looks a bit busy. We might eat first and then come into the markets. Try and get some stuff. It's hectic in there, check it out. So this is just rural. So even the police are out here, the young police. They're everywhere every morning for about 2 hours. All out through South Denpasar everywhere. So. And this is real busy. See, it's so busy in the morning because that's when everyone's out doing their shopping, food shopping, and getting all their supplies for the day, you know. In a couple of hours, it'll quieten down these villages. Okay, so we're here. Now, this is some of the best soto AM you'll find anywhere. Really good. Alright. Wong Jemba. Right, so this is really good soto here. Soto ayam telur.
Soto ayam telur.
And ST telur.
Campur nasi.
Yeah, sama nasi putih. Thank you, Ibu. Okay. ST tawaring. Alright, so this is the soto, and this is really good soto in here. So it's different everywhere you go, soto. So this one I really like. I've eaten here a fair few times before over the years. If I come up past here, you always stop here. You can see it's just like an egg with some potato chips, tomato, some celery noodles, chicken, and I get my rice separate because I shouldn't eat too much rice and I just add it in. But with soto, you've always got to have jeruk nipis, which is lime. You always got to have that in it. A little bit of sambal. And then I just mix rice in with it. The Indonesians, a lot of them will put their soup and veggies onto the rice and eat it, but I just mix it in. And that's it, that's soto AM, and this is a really good one, you know. They're big bowls, they're full, and yeah, it's just got a little bit different taste, and they're different everywhere you go. But this is one of my favourites. It really does have a good taste, this one. Yeah. A little bit more lime. It's perfect. See, they put all the little, they're just homemade they're just homemade fried potato chips, and they put them on some soto places put them, some don't, but they're crunchy and they're really good. And there's places on Jalan Palau Roti. I'll see if I can find a Google Map link, unless someone's tagged it on Google Maps. Well, it won't be here, but it's on Jalan Palau Roti. Indo style. Right, so we got 2 takeaway sotos as well. I had my soto, 2 teas. Right, and it was 53,000, like $5 for 3 sotos, 2 teas, and 3 rices as well. Very cheap. Check it out. best sauté around, I reckon. So this place is busy because it's really good sauté. You see, we've sat down and ordered, and there's already 3 other lots of people waiting, ordering and getting takeaway and whatever. So anyway, it's on Jalan Palawaroti and Penogan, sort of East Penogan, I suppose you could call it. Okay, busy. And doodle, huh? Near doodle? Right, so Yuli wants to get some ayam betutu. And betutu, we'll go in the markets, have a quick look first, and then yeah, so we're after Yuli. Want a capsicum and some bawang bombay. So I want some white onion and a capsicum. I've been looking for capsicum everywhere, and it's hard to find. So these are traditional markets. This is in, well, there's so many of them around Penogan. It's just one of them. What's the name of the street there, Yuli? Huh? Labuin. All right. So this is like kitchen supplies. You can buy anything, any shoes, clothes. All right. Have a, yeah. Have you got tickles? Oh, hamsters. Right, they look like mice, but they're little hamsters. You want a hamster? Come on, Mel. Oh, right, they put a little wheel, little hamster wheel. Wow, I thought they were bigger than that, hamsters. They look like little, seperti tikus, ya?
Hamster.
Yeah, hamster.
Anaknya tikus.
Yeah. Muka begitu.
Makanya sama.
Yeah.
Tikus.
So the face is like a little mice. All right. Hello, Pak. Selamat pagi. All right. So now we're after capsicum, which is pretty rare. It all comes down from Bedagul mainly, and a lot of places just don't have it. It's really hard to find. So our markets, there's 2 markets close to our house. They didn't have it. It's all the dried fish. Ikan asin, salty dried fish. Wow, so we're after, oh, look, there's even a gold shop here, look. Yeah, there's a gold shop in the markets. Emas, perak, it's gold and silver. All right, little gold shop, very strange having a gold shop in the markets. Wow, look at the size of these mangoes, Yuli. Mango, ya?
Mango.
Besar sekali. Huh?
Mango apa dan Brazil.
Oh, Brazilian mangoes, they're huge, eh? What, they'd be Hawaiian ones. Look at the size of that. Oh, for rujak. Untuk rujak itu. Oh, yeah. Right, so it's for rujak. It's like the raw green mango, and they put salt and chili and that, and they eat with it. All right. So no one's got white onions. They call them bawang bombay. I don't know why they call it Bombay. Maybe they're originally from India, exported here. But bawang bombay. All right, look. These little cakes. What are these?
Berapa, Bu? 5.600. Kasih.
What's the name of them?
Apa aja? Coklat sama buah. Kue apa namanya? Cookies.
Cookies?
P-U-K-I-S.
Pukis. All right, the name for it is pukis. They're like little cake type things. These have got chocolate. And what's in these? Little mini cakes. Well, I'm going to have a look at them under the thing. We'll see them up.
Oh, nanti tunggu dulu dia. Kasih. Mau lihat.
Bisa buka? Yeah? All right, so this is how they cook them. They just pour the batter in and some chocolate, and they cook like that and come out like little half circles. Very good. Hello, Bu. Selamat pagi.
Yeah.
Kasih, Bu. Right, now these are salak. If you don't know salak, we call them like snake fruit because they got skin like snakes. Really good. My favourite fruit. So this is jackfruit. And jackfruit, you can wait till it's ripe and sweet, or you can actually cook it and boil it in that like a vegetable. And it's got like a meaty sort of texture when it's cooked. Hello, Coochie. Hello, good. Little market cat. You always find cats around markets and warungs and that. So no one's got capsicum and no one's got white onions. Yeah, so that's basically all we come in here for. You can see we're here making the chanansari. Pagi ibu, chanansari ya. So these days a lot of people just buy the offerings because it's cheaper than buying all the materials and making them, or just as cheap. So there's a little fish market out here, selling fresh fish. And this is inside, indoors is all the meat, like the chicken, the beef, the pig, and the seafood in here. Hey bro. So they got a little separate. Well, it's probably a good idea they keep it separate in a separate building to keep the smell of that away, I suppose. But anyway, no one at all has got any capsicum or just white onions, which are normally fairly common, but there's none here. And so no one had capsicum. It's really hard to find capsicum unless you go to the big supermarkets like Grand Lucky or something like that. They're not cheap capsicum. They're very expensive. Small ones. And this is all. It's all we can find. 3 tiny little. You wanted 5,000 just for one, but we got them for about $1 for 3. So they're not cheap either. White onions. And whether they're imported or not, maybe they're imported. All right, so yeah, we get some ayam betutu. Hey, Buck, got the parkers on the front. These guys with the blue shirts on, parkers. You could pay to park, and they help park you. So, hey, Puggy.
Nice to meet you today, right?
Yep. All right, so this is our friendly parker. He's come to get some cash. We parked just here. All right, so this is ayam betutu. This is the chicken man.
Welcome in Bali.
This is ayam betutu. This is Bali's most famous dish, really, is ayam betutu.
Yeah, ayam betutu.
Yep. Bali food, yeah.
Rice Bali.
Yep.
Make it nice.
So what's your name? Orang Bali?
Yeah, orang Bali. Nyaman.
Nyaman?
Yeah, Nyaman Atta.
Right. Number say Grant.
Have a good day. Welcome in Bali. Have nice.
All right. He's off to work. Hey, Park. Selamat pagi. Everyone's so friendly around the markets. They love to see the bulle, the Westerner. It's a little bit of a novelty, you know. So this is ayam betutu. You can see the bumbu on top. It's like the spice flavour, and it's just got that certain taste. It really is good ayam betutu.
Yeah.
Sate lele, sate.
Yeah, complete 15.
All right. So it's 15,000 complete with everything. So you know if whoever sell on this is definitely Balinese, because it's Balinese food. And is this what's this betutu flavour? No.
Itu sambal ember.
All right. Sambal lemba. Oh right. So this is like a fried sambal.
Mata goreng.
It's like sambal mata, yeah, but fried. Yeah, it's very good. And it looks like they got soto or something here too. Yeah, it's like a soto. You can buy takeaway ready to go. But anyway, ayam betutu is one of my favourite Indonesian foods. Definitely is. It's got the lawar, which is the mix of all the vegetables, and it's very hot and spicy. It's got peanuts through it. Traditionally, a lot of Balinese food, they put a few peanuts in there as well. Give it that crunch. So I got my onions, we've got our takeaway soto. She's got her ayam betutu. We get the soto for little Kenzo and Mercer, Hewley's niece, and the little kid that lives with us. He loves his job, look. Old Nyaman over here.
Enjoy your time in Bali, right?
Aku sudah lama di sini. 30 tahun. 30 tahun di sini.
10 tahun.
30.
30.
Ya, lama tinggal di sini. Tinggal di sana Pulau Galang.
Pulau Galang.
Nah,
Taman Ayu. Gunung Taman Ayu.
Banjar
nah.
kuno.
Banjar gunung.
Alright. Yeah, Gunung Sari.
Oh, Bapak.
Alright. That's it.
Iya, Pak.
Apa?
Perumahan Taman Ayu.
Okay.
Thank you very much
Clean nyaman
for your coming. Ya.
Depan
for your pocket.
Sike.
Don't tell the
Depan
boss.
Sike.
Iya, Pak.
Masuk
Depan pura.
Penasaran Sari.
Nah.
Penataran.
Masuk gang.
Depan di pura-pura ada
Gang.
gang
Ya.
satu jaya tinggal di sana.
The small street, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Number 1. Thank you very much.
Kasih.
Enjoy your time and have a good day.
Alright, thanks mate.
Wait. Yeah, bye.
Right, we're getting special VIP service here from Yeoman. Thanks, Lee Newman.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Alright. So that's really good. They really do like to see a Westerner because there's just none around here. They never see them. So it's a bit of a novelty for them to and I enjoy it. Enjoy having a chat and just to look around. So, alright. We are off back towards home, yeah. Alright, so Kenzo spotted the motorbike and he come a-running, didn't you, little mate? Eh? So I've got to take him for his morning ride. We make him wear a helmet. What you doing, Kenzo? Kenzo loves a bike. Yeah. We're trying to sneak in and he spotted us and he come a-running, so I'll take Kenzo for a little ride here. This will be the end of this video. And yeah. What do you reckon, mate? Yeah. Go back, Lucy's. Oh, she's jealous I've got Kenzo on the bike. You jealous, Luce? Look how good.
1, 2, 3. Oh.
Wey.
Buka.
Bagus sekali ya. Mantap. Tata. High five.
Yes.
Lima tinggi. Yeah.
Stop.
And yeah, hopefully I got enough of our little morning experience there. Just going and get some food, basically. Oh, typical morning in the village. Itu tangan kanan.
Kanan, tak boleh. Ya.
Good boy. Trying to teach him only with your right hand. Yeah, he's a handsome boy. Tangan kiri, tangan kanan. He's good. He can already count a bit. What can he say? 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
But he can count to 5.
1,
Wow.
2,
3.